Hello guys, if you are just coming across my channel, my name is Comfort. To my old subscribers, you are welcome, and to my new subscribers, you are also welcome. Today we are making okra stew the Liberian way. We are going to be having this delicious okra stew with rice. So we will make sure to get rid of most of the slime. We won't cook it the other way. Yes, this is so delicious. Guys, try this dish and thank me later. So as usual, let me just summarize what I'm doing in this video, and then you have your time to watch and understand the video. As usual, the base of my cooking is my priority. I start up by seasoning up my meat with all my favorite seasoning. Guys, you can use any seasoning of your choice. Like I said, I don't cook with salt. I don't cook salt in my soup, so I season as much as I can. And all of this seasoning are mindful. They are not more, they are not less. They are just as I need them in the soup. So I season up my meat. If you are my OG, you already know this step. But you know, people are coming every day, so we just choose to keep showing it. But this is thing that I want to stop showing in my video, but because of my new subscribers, I will keep showing the seasoning aspect of my cooking. So this is how I usually or normally season my meat, because if this step is missed, guys, the rest of your cooking, what is cooking will add good taste. So I take my time, I put in more time, more effort to make this base of my cooking very, very delicious. So I season up my meat, cook my meat, pour my meat to my preferred texture. Guys, I don't want my meat to be too soft. And I cook my meat, I put more time in cooking my meat because I don't cook my soup with a lot of fluoride. Yes, we don't use river Jordan here to make our soup because we don't want to get rid of all of the nutrients. We just steam it up with little water. Yes, then we are good to go. So you cook your meat already to your preferred texture before starting to cook your main dish. So that's what I'm doing here. After cooking, and one tip for this stew is that don't cook your okra with lot of water, because it will cut, it won't give you that taste, that deliciousness that you saw from the beginning of this video. It's both inward and outward. I'm just kidding. So after I cook my meat was well cooked, I start up with the main deal of the day, which is the okra. As I said, I don't want to bore your time, use your time explaining tapa things. Just watch this video, enjoy this method and try it. Guys, it's very yummy, tasty. And at the end, I don't show how I serve my food, but I love eating in the pot when I'm done cooking. And you will see how the story was told at the end of this video. So enjoy yourself, relax, and watch this video.
Here comes a story with flavor so bold. Comfort's in the kitchen, breaking the mold. Spices dancing in the sizzling heat. The taste of passion, it'll make you repeat. Comfort taste, comfort tales. Cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Plates of magic, healing souls with care. A splash of love, you can taste it, it's rare. From the pot to the plate, stories are told. Comfort's touch is worth more than gold. Comfort taste, comfort tales. Cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. She's more than a cook, she's a storyteller too. Each dish a masterpiece, pulling you through. Plantains are golden and soups sing with fire. Comfort lifts spirits, taking them higher. On an Afro beat, with a tale at hand, the flavors weave together like a magical band. Prepare for the feast, a journey's begun. Comfort's kitchen where the world is one. Comfort tastes, comfort tales, cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Feel the beat. Comfort tastes, comfort tales, cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. She's more than a cook, she's a storyteller too. Each dish a masterpiece. Plantains are golden and soup sing with fire. Comfort lifts spirits, taking them higher. She's more than a cook, she's a storyteller too. Each dish a masterpiece, pulling you through. Plantains are golden and soup sing with fire. Comfort lifts spirits, taking them higher. On an Afro beat, with a tale at hand, the flavors weave together like a magical band. Prepare for the feast, a journey's begun. Comfort's kitchen where the world is one.
Comfort in the kitchen, where stories unfold, mixing recipes with heart, flavors pure and bold. From sunrise to moonlight, she weaves a tale. With every spice she adds, will never fail. Comfort tastes of her tales. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. Through the rhythm of life, she's setting the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never pales. Afro beats drum as the flavors collide. Jollof pop bubbling with pride inside. Pancakes in the morning, stews for the night. She shares her creations, making everything bright. Whisk it up, saute and dance. Life's like cooking, take a chance. Season it bold, plate it with flair.
Guys, if you have watched up to this point, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, as it will help YouTube to push our video to many viewers. For now, see you in my next video. Bye bye.
The pills. Afro beats drum as the flavors collide. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. Through the rhythm of life, she's setting the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never pales. Saute and dance, life's like a dance. Here goes the melody when the whole world sings. Comfort, taste, and tales for every heart and soul. A meal, a story, together whole.